Hi, welcome back. This video is on making progress bar in PowerShell scripts. Okay, so progress bar is basically for monitoring, and in PowerShell it is really very easy to make a progress bar. Okay, so let's start. So for making a progress bar, I'll be using one of the commandlets first. Okay, so that it will help us in understanding. Uh, it will help me to demonstrate what I mean. So I'll be using a commandlet called get service. Okay, this is get service commandlet, and it is one of the commandlets which is used to get services running on your system. Okay, so and there are a number of commandlets which you should know. Basic commandlets. There are actually thousands of commandlets, but you don't need to know all of these. But you should know some of the basic commands. So if you really want to know, I would recommend that you go to my video, which is here you can see on the I button. You will press and it will take you to that video. Okay. So now let us start. So this is a commandlet which will give you the service. Okay. So let's run. See. Okay. So let's see what is the what is inside this variable. So you can see that all of the output is stored in this variable, the value of circuit services in this variable. Okay, but I don't want all of these things. Okay, all of these data, I just want either name or display name. So let us choose name. Okay, so the method to choose only name is like this: select objects, spend property and name. Okay, and let's see what we get. Okay, so you can see that now we only have the names. Okay, okay, this is the name. So let us first count what are the total number of values stored in this variable. Okay, so for that I'm going to create a data variable sur count. Okay, which is nothing but total number of values in this service name variable. And how to do that? By writing this and by using a property called count. Okay, so this will give us the value of total value means, okay, total value, a total count, which is 272. Okay, so we'll be using this. Okay, so the commandlet which we use to make progress bar is write progress. Okay, and there are a number of parameters here. Okay, first parameter is activity. So activity is anything which you want to display on the top of the progress bar. So let us put a name here. Let us put let the heading be service names. Okay, second parameter is percent complete. Okay, percent complete is what? Whenever you know suppose sorry, you can see that there are 272 services in this system. Okay, so suppose when this commandlet will run. Okay, here what we will be reading, suppose it covers 50 commandlets. Okay, so 50 commandlets means how much of that percentage, or if we say that of 272 services, I have the name of 50 services. So what will be the percentage here? Okay, so that will be 50 divided by 272 into 100. This will be the total percentage covered. Okay, so means this much of percentage or this much of task is done in terms of percentage. Okay, so we will display that thing here in the percent complete. Okay, and so how we will do it? First of all, we will have to use a for each loop for this. Okay, for each loop is one of the most powerful loops. Okay, and if you really want to know about the for each loop, so I have discussed this about the use of the for each loop in my previous video, so you can go back to that, and then you will be able to understand the details of the for each loop. I'm not going to discuss here the for each loop in detail, so you can either go back to my video, or you can just click on the I button, and it will take you to the video where I have discussed about the for each loop. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what I will be doing is I will be calling this service name. Okay, I'll be using this variable and calling the name one by one. So how you can call the name one by one? We have to just mention any variable here, and then service name. Okay, and then it will start. Okay, so service name, what will happen now? What I have to do is, suppose this number, I have to now calculate the percentage, and how I will do it? Percentage is total number of the processes covered divided by total count, or total processes, that is this count, that is total count, that is 272, and there will be a variable, or there will be another data, that how much of that service count is complete of 272. Okay, so how I will be doing that? Let us create a variable for this. Let there be a variable $I. Okay, $I plus 1. Okay, so every time when this loop will run, okay, this will be get updated, and it means that it means that this value will be the total number of services covered. Okay, it will give the count. Okay, so how we will take the percentage here now? So dollar percent will be equal to percent total count. Okay, divided by this serve count. Just a second. Serve count. Okay, and this whole divided by this whole expression into 100. So this will be percentage. Okay, and we have to mention this thing, this percent here. Okay, and also we have to initialize, because this we are using this variable for the first time, so we will have to initialize. So let this be equal to 0 starting. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Let me okay, one thing I forgot to write, that we have to mention the service name also. Okay, so let's see what happens now. As you can see that this progress bar has appeared, and it is you can see it is displaying the status. Okay, it is giving you the detail, or the visual of the total process completed. And there are a number of activities which we can do here. Okay, so let me help you with that. Here we can also display uh, let me okay, here what we can do is we can also display the name of the process which is currently which is on this current variable dollar sir. Okay, how we can do that? We all have to do is we have to just write this variable, ser variable. Okay, let's see what happens. As you can see, to displaying the whole of the uh, current processes. Okay, you can see. Okay, one more thing we can do is we can erase this variable, and we can see that the loop will still run, and it will display. See, it is displaying, and the progress bar is still showing the visual of the total process complete. One more thing we can do here, okay, when one more idea, we can also display the percentage here as well, okay. Let it be something like that. uh, Total percent, okay, and let us use this variable again, okay. So it will display the percent also. Let me use a column here. Yeah. Now let's see what happens. What does it say? Let me, okay, yeah, let us see what happens now. So you can see that it is not only displaying the process name, but it also displaying the total percentage, okay. So this was a small video on the progress bar, okay, on how you can make progress bar in PowerShell scripts, okay, which is quite interesting, as you can see, okay. So this was a small video, and if you really like my work, then please share and subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up if you really like the video, and if you want me to make more videos like this, then please mention that thing in the comment box, okay. So please take care and subscribe to my channel once again. Thank you. Thank you very much.